yeah, I'm pretty happy with that's turning out. Cool. Alright, onward ho. Alright, so the last cabinet is installed without the doors, obviously, because I don't have all of the hardware, or I would have probably installed it. But it would be good to show somebody how to install the hinges and struts and everything else when the cabinets are up in place. So we'll save that for another time. And where we are butted together, we have a very slight seam coming down. I thought about putting a sort of a gasket through here, so when the two butt together, and then I would just trim it, but that would probably be a little more obvious than what it is. And I'm pretty happy with the way that turned out. It's pretty flush, and although I have a little gap, that's okay. Once the doors get installed, I mean, once you back up to about this far, you don't see it at all anyway. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. So let me drop a measurement from here down to the floor, and from here down to the floor, and just to see how far out of whack we might be. Like I said, this is in a van and things aren't square or, you know, totally straight. So if we're close, then I'm pretty happy with that. So let me set this up and we'll take a measurement. Alright, so we're gonna drop a measurement from the floor here down, or from here down to the floor, and these two are butted together, so I know that both of those are the same. So we are looking at I am looking at, well, let's see, where do I have this? 60 and about an eighth. 60 and about an eighth of an inch. So right there. Alright, so let's check out the front, and hopefully we're pretty close. That way I know things are level. Alright, so the front here behind the driver's seat, we'll just drop that down. Whoa. Bottom that out. And I am at get it straight here. I am at 60 and 3/16, which means I'm out by a 1/16 of an inch from front to back. So Pappy is happy with that. Now all the items that I used for the build so far will be in the description down below, with all the links to I think mostly are Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you click on those links and you purchase something, there's a chance that I could get a small commission of those, but no extra charge to you, thank goodness. So do check out the links, and if you see something that you like, or whatever I used in my build and you like that, well, click on that, make yourself a purchase if you need to, and happy building. Alright, so it's taken quite a while to get to this point, only because, you know, I'm videoing this stuff and editing, and, you know, that takes a lot of time and a lot of effort, and but if anything, it's for my documentation, but your enjoyment. So I hope you're enjoying it. Alright, so what's next? I have to make a store run. We are going to get some more hardware so we can go ahead and install the doors. And we'll get the hinges installed, we'll get the struts installed, and then we'll worry about the latches at the end. And then I do have some more handles coming, so we'll get those installed as well. We can call that done. And then once this is complete, then I think we can start on some furniture. I'm kind of looking forward to that, although I have no clue what I am going to do or how I want to do it or anything else. So you're watching me wing it. So I don't have any plans, any drawings. It's all up here, and we're making it real in the van as we go. So that's the plan. And until next time, stay tuned.